The Jack Rose is a delightful cocktail made with Applejack, Grenadine, and lemon juice. It's a tart and fruity drink that's perfect for an evening of relaxation. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces Applejack, a type of apple brandy, 3/4 of an ounce Grenadine, preferably homemade or high-quality 3/4 of an ounce fresh lemon juice, freshly squeezed for best results. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger, coupe glass, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Add Applejack, Grenadine, and fresh lemon juice to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled, about 15 seconds. Strain the mixture into a chilled coupe glass. Garnish with a lemon twist if desired. The Jack Rose was a popular cocktail in the early 20th century, and was named after either the notorious gambler Bald Jack Rose or simply the Applejack used in the drink. It also appeared in Ernest Hemingway's novel, The Sun Also Rises.